How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To check your followers or your subscribers on your YouTube, it is pretty simple. Firstly, all you need to do is launch a preferred browser in your device. Then head over to YouTube or search for youtube.com. Now over here, make sure that you have created an account for your YouTube. Then in your top right corner, you will see your profile icon that you need to tap on it. From here, head over and click on YouTube Studio. This will redirect you to your channel dashboard where you can check out all of the summary, that is your views, watch time, and more. Now you need to select on the analytics option and make sure to click on the overview icon. Right over here, you can check out your views, watch time, and subscribers. So this is how you can check on your subscribers on YouTube. If you are using your mobile device, you need to launch a preferred browser, and again, make sure you have switched into a desktop site by clicking on the three dot icon in your mobile device. Once you are in the desktop site, you will see the option of YouTube Studio and follow the same step. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.